Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing and installing a torque converter for our 420cc Preditor engine. I got this torque converter from GoPowersports.com and it was a great kit. Here I am unboxing it now, and as you can see they did a great job packaging this. Once all the contents are out of the box, you can go ahead and start tearing into it. The first thing that I found was the belt. You're going to see how the belt is going to work a little bit later once we get the torque converter onto the engine. And the part number for reference. The next thing that I found in the package was these awesome Go Power Sports stickers. Thanks Go Power Sports, we're going to be putting these stickers to good use. The next thing that I removed from the package is this plate, and it also has a pulley on it. This plate itself actually gets bolted onto the engine, and I am very surprised how thick this plate is. Another really good thing about this kit is that it comes with your hardware. No need to go to the hardware store or digging through any drawers to find nuts and bolts. Everything's right there how you need it. Digging a little bit further into this, we find the main drive pulley. This box was extremely heavy for the size, and I was also surprised of the awesome build quality and the sheer size of this pulley. The last thing that I found in this package is this cover. The cover basically protects the pulleys and the belt on the torque converter itself. Now it's time to get to work on installing this. Now we're ready to install the torque converter. We have the 420cc engine on the bench, and since this engine has been ran before, I'm going to go ahead and spray some WD-40 in the bolt holes for where our torque converter plate is going to thread onto. That plate that I showed you a little bit earlier, this is where it goes. There are 4 threaded holes on the crankcase of your 420cc Preditor engine, and many holes drilled in this plate from Go Power Sports. These multiple holes in the plate allow you to adjust the torque converter plate up or down to your application, whatever go-kart or mini bike that you're installing this torque converter in. You want to do your best to line the hole up with the threaded hole on the crankcase, and then carefully thread the bolt in. It's a very soft metal, so you don't want to put a ratchet on it quite yet. Line up the second bolt right there. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the third. And the fourth and final bolt installed into this torque converter plate into the side of the 420cc engine. Moving this for a little bit more room on the bench. And it's threading in. And this is what the plate looks like installed on our 420. You can go ahead and start tightening the bolts down, but be really careful. It's going into a soft metal. Don't want to strip it out. Now this is where your main drive pulley comes in, like I showed you earlier from the unboxing. This slides right onto the crankshaft of your engine. But first, Go Power Sports provides you with these shims. They're basically small washers that go on to the crankshaft of your engine and spaces the main drive pulley out a little bit further from the plate so there's no contact. And this just slides right on. The last thing that I tried to do was install the belt. Well, it didn't really work out because I tried to install it on the rear pulley first. There's a much easier way of doing this. I took the belt off of the rear pulley and then just put the main drive pulley on. I then kind of walked the belt onto the rear pulley while the main drive pulley is installed, and kind of like a stretch fit belt on a car. Just kind of walk it on the rear pulley. And with a little bit of effort, the belt should go right on. Check your alignment for the belt, because if it's off, you can always add those provided spacers. Now we're going to go ahead and install the bolt for the main drive pulley. That goes right into your crankshaft. I went ahead and tightened this. I'll tighten it a little bit more when I plan on running this engine. And that is the final product. Thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe.